Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a WhatsApp tutorial on how to hide your WhatsApp status update, okay? So it's very easy. If you want to know how to do that, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. You tap on it. Once it opens, you go to these three dotted lines here. You tap on it. Then next, you tap on Settings. Next, you tap on Accounts. Next, you tap on Privacy. Next, you're going to see Status. You tap on it. As you guys can see, who can see my status updates? So I selected my contact already, meaning people in my contact only can see my status update. So if I want to hide the status update, okay, the best option to go for is this second one, my contact accept. So what you're going to do is to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you select all the contacts. Any contacts you select, your WhatsApp status update will be hidden from the person, okay? If you're done selecting all these contacts, like tapping all these contacts, okay, the next thing you're going to do is to go to this button here, okay, then you tap on it. After the settings is being updated, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on done, okay? As you guys can see, 13 contacts excluded under status, meaning 13 contacts will not be able to see my WhatsApp status update. So my WhatsApp status update has been hidden from this 13 contacts. Okay, guys. So this is how to hide your WhatsApp status updates. Hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.